Mercedes-Benz vs BMW, Luxury Car Showdown 2025. Mercedes-Benz or BMW, two legendary brands that define luxury, power, and status. But in 2025, which one truly dominates the road? Today, we'll compare these automotive giants side by side, design, comfort, performance, and price, to see which brand deserves the crown. Stay tuned, because the verdict might surprise you. Let's start with the exterior. Mercedes-Benz in 2025 continues its tradition of elegance, smooth curves, a commanding grille, and the iconic three-pointed star that screams prestige. Their design philosophy: luxury first. BMW, on the other hand, goes for aggression and sportiness. The kidney grille has become sharper, the body lines more muscular, and the stance more athletic. Mercedes feels like a red carpet appearance, while BMW feels like stepping into a boxing ring. When it comes to durability, both brands are excellent, but Mercedes leans toward a timeless look, while BMW focuses on modern aggression. Backhand index pointing right. Quick question for you: do you prefer a car that looks elegant and classy, like Mercedes, or aggressive and sporty, like BMW? Drop your choice in the comments. Inside the cabin, Mercedes has always been the gold standard. Plush leather, ambient lighting, and massive high-resolution screens create an atmosphere closer to a private jet than a car. In 2025, Mercedes interiors have become even more futuristic, blending luxury with tech in seamless harmony. BMW's interior philosophy is different. It's about the driver. The cockpit-style layout, the curved infotainment display, and sport-focused seating make you feel like you're in control of a machine, not just a car. Mercedes whispers, "Relax and enjoy the ride." BMW shouts, "Let's drive." Backhand index pointing right. Which interior would you rather sit in every day, a luxury lounge on wheels or a driver-focused cockpit? Comment below. Now, performance, the heart of these machines. Mercedes engines are known for smooth power delivery, with AMG models pushing insane horsepower while keeping the ride buttery smooth. Their handling is refined, stable, and confidence-inspiring. BMW. That's where the thrill lives. The phrase, ultimate driving machine, isn't just marketing, it's reality. BMW's 2025 lineup emphasizes precision steering, rear-wheel excitement, and engines that love to roar. So, if you want comfort and power, Mercedes is your match. If you want adrenaline and driving excitement, BMW wins. Backhand index pointing right. Imagine this: you're on an open highway at night. Would you rather be behind the wheel of a Mercedes AMG or a BMW M Series? Tell me in the comments. But luxury has a price tag. On average, Mercedes models in 2025 carry a slightly higher starting price compared to BMW. However, Mercedes often retains strong resale value, especially with its reputation for prestige. BMW, while sometimes more affordable at entry levels, can cost more in long-term maintenance depending on the model. Still, many enthusiasts argue the fun-to-drive factor is priceless. So here's the money question: if you had to invest in one, would you rather pay more upfront for a Mercedes that holds value, or risk higher maintenance for the driving thrill of BMW? Share your take. So, which brand should you choose in 2025? If you crave comfort, elegance, and prestige, Mercedes-Benz is the way to go. It's luxury redefined. If you crave sportiness, adrenaline, and driver connection, BMW is your match. It's performance you can feel in your bones. At the end of the day, both are legends. But now I want to hear from you. If you had $80,000 in your hand today, would you spend it on a brand new Mercedes, or drive away in a BMW? Drop your answer in the comments, Mercedes or BMW, and let's see which side really wins this showdown.